Today I'm going to install Alla dual color switchable LED switchback fog lights in a Honda CRV. I installed one, so I'm going to install the other one. So these are H11 size. These are the instructions. So let's go and install these. Doesn't come with the fan inside. That's the driver and that's the LED. So you see there's a two LED diodes, I believe you call it. One is white and one is yellow. So amber or yellow you can say. So this is H11. That's the size. Alright, let's go and install. First thing first, jack it up. Jack up your vehicle because there's not enough space that you can go down. So you must jack it up. So if you have a new car, so this is the CRV. That's the bulb we want to, the light LED. We want to replace the bulb and put a LED light. So come underneath, you will see there's a spot, this triangle. And there's one clip, two clip. You cannot remove these clips. These are permanent, right? So these are permanent, so we will move it up. It depends how strong these are based on how clean these are. Let's remove them. You need a screwdriver. It's not a one-hand job, but take them out and it will, you have to struggle. I'm not going to do all way, but I will try my best with one hand. All right, let me try by other way. These two need to be removed. You can easily hold that plastic cover inside. You can just push it inside under the bumper and hold it with the something. I actually hold it with the help of a wiper blade water bottle behind the water bottle, and then you can easily reach to the bulb. So just press the clip and pull down the connector harness, and once you remove it, just turn on the left side and you will able to remove the bulb. Let's take a Alla LED. Here's the LED. I think you guys can see. And find the spot and move it and all the way. Right? Now, it's a little hard, but I try my best with one hand because I cannot put a tripod here. So it's a priority. If you cannot, light is not working, cut this tab on the top and use the other side. So let me go and try with one hand. All right, it's plugged. And what I will do, I will take this whole cable and I will zip tie with this cable over here like that. I will zip tie it so it's not gonna move around, and close this lid. So here you go. This is how I plugged it inside. The zip tie was a very difficult portion. Here you go. It was very hard to place. So one advanced tip. So whenever you put a LED light inside, make sure it's straight, because see the reflector is like vertical. So these one have to have a straight line. So it has to be like this. See, like this. So let's try at night and see how this goes.